What is going on, everybody? Welcome back to another segment of the Intelligent Hustler. I am your host, Lou. If you're brand new to this channel, I basically cover anything related to money, okay? Stock market, Bitcoin, online businesses, the economy, everything related to money, I try to cover in this channel. Now, if you guys want to check out my political commentary, social commentary, I try to keep that on my other YouTube channel called Politics with Lou. Okay, so let's get to it. So today's video is going to be about how can you best invest your stimulus check of $1,200, right? Because everybody's getting them, with a few exceptions, of course. There's, some people out there that, owe child support, owe this and that, and they're left out to dry. You know what I'm saying? They didn't make it. The checks didn't come for them, but it came to a lot of people. I'm starting to see a lot more movement. I'm starting to see people buy more stuff. You know what I'm saying? So as far as the essential items and things like that, people are out here spending money, right? And they're spending that stimulus check. So the best way, okay, that you can invest the $1,200 is this: invest in yourself, invest in your own education, in your own self-development of becoming a better person, becoming a better version of you. You know what I'm saying? And I understand that is not really the answer that a lot of people are looking for, but it's the truth. Okay, especially during these tough times like this, you got to make sure that your mind state is sharp, that your body is, you have no problems, no health problems or anything like that. You got to make sure that you maintain a healthy body, right? Maintain a healthy mind state. But as far as, because I understand people want to, people have been hitting me up like, hey Lou, like, I got the check, I'm trying to flip it to 3,000 or maybe 2,000 or 4,000, 5,000. They want to double their investment, triple their investment. But I'll tell you guys this: it's extremely difficult unless you are an experienced trader, salesperson, unless you're into resale, in the resale niche, where you can really buy a bunch of items for real cheap and sell them on eBay, Mercari for 25-50% higher than your cost basis. You're not flipping. You're not gonna double your investments. Okay, you just flat out. It's very difficult to double your investments or triple your investments doing it the traditional, legal way specifically. You know what I'm saying? With resale, it's different. Resale, you can buy a Beanie Baby at a garage sale for $1, and you can sell it on eBay or Mercari for $10 or $15. That is a crazy high return on investment. But you had to be experienced. You see what I'm saying? You gotta have months of experience or maybe years of experience with resale. So my suggestion to you is this: if you're trying to flip that money, right, into a long-term investment that can really change your life, take an online course. Learn a valuable skill set. There's Udemy. You can learn anything on Udemy. There's Udacity. Udacity is perfect if you're trying to get into IT, technology, anything technology related. do Udacity, okay? Or you can even earn a Google certification on Google Analytics or Google SEO, or they even have free stuff. They even have a free program on Salesforce, and you can become a Salesforce engineer in about 7 to 8 months. And it's free. All you got to do is sign up, you take the course, you earn your badges, your certificates, this and that. And you can literally go from being a cashier to being a systems engineer in 8 months, 9 months, maybe a year. Maybe even less than that, because the demand right now is higher than ever for people that have the skills in technology. Okay? So these are the long-term investments that I'm telling you guys that it really works. It can really work. You know what I'm saying? IT industry still is on fire right now. Everybody's working from home. You know what I'm saying? Like, and they need people to build websites. They need people to test the software. They need people to, do the content writing. They need people to, do the technical writing on the web pages. They need people to do, the search engine optimization. It's technology is technology still running the world. This is what I'm trying to tell you guys. And it's gonna take a small investment from you, from the check, but it's gonna require a long time. It's gonna require effort into actually learning a new valuable skill set that you can apply it as soon as possible. You don't even need a degree for all of this, because these businesses, they're like, we need people. We gotta, we need to make sales. We need, we gotta have our websites up and running, so we gotta sell the software. We gotta do this, that. So they're looking for people more than ever. You know what I'm saying? And I'm telling you guys, this is a much easier path than trying to get this $1,200 check and flipping it into $3,000. Then you gotta flip it again into $6,000. Then flip it again in $12,000. You can try to do that, but unless you are very skilled in sales, negotiation, marketing, unless you're very skilled in those skill sets, it's gonna be extremely difficult for you to be able to just flip a check like that into, $3,000, $4,000 and keep building up from there. Can it be done? Yes. But I think a lot of people out there don't have those type of skills. I think, especially because so many people are already on, people use the internet daily. People use computers and tablets and iPhones every single day. People are, and this is the thing that I'm trying to say, people are more used to technology than they are used to cold calling a potential customer and closing a deal out of the blue, which a lot of very good salespeople are able to do that, especially during these times where people are not trying to buy anything right now. You know what I'm saying? They're not trying to buy anything. So even seasoned salespeople are not being able to, to make a living right now. So I'm telling you guys, take advantage of the freaking internet. Take advantage of social media. Take advantage that these online courses, okay, they're lowering the price every single day because they're also trying to make money. But once, it's an actual investment in your life. You know what I'm saying? It's an actual skill set that if you cultivate it, once you learn it and apply it, it can actually bring you results, because the IT industry, technology, certain, business administration niches, I'm trying to say that word right, niches, you know, it's still up and running. What is not up and running is just trying to sell a car. It's trying to sell insurance. It's trying to sell a product that most people don't have. There's not a demand for that product, right? And that is exactly what is happening right now with this economy. And also taking into consideration that automation is coming through, whether people like it or not. And the more skilled you are in technology and you're able to make that transition, right, from a job that is labor intensive into a job where is knowledge based, it's highly technical skill set based, the easier it is for you to make that bread.